Good day! We're out here in beautiful Lehigh Acres, Florida, about to install 7.2 kilowatts of solar energy on this roof. Solar is a great idea here in the Sunshine State. So by all means, comment below or reach out to us on social media and we can find out the solar options for you. Now I want all of you to go forth and spread some sunshine.
Sunergy Solar, get good looking guys and make the deliveries. These over here are the optimizers for the SolarEdge. This is for the inverter. It's really the most important part of the solar system. The SolarEdge, it allows your panels to overcome shading. That's the strength of using a SolarEdge power optimizer inverter. So that if there's shade that's caused on, or that's if there's shade on one panel due to a cloud or leaves or something like that, it won't affect the rest of the system the way that a normal string system would. So when possible, you want to try to use a SolarEdge optimizer or an N-phase microinverter. This way the panels are able to overcome shading issues. Also, what's nice about the SolarEdge is they have a great monitoring app that you can go on your phone or on the website and actually monitor the production of your solar system. All right, so that's the SolarEdge optimizer.
So this is a Guardian solar hot water heater. This is a 4x10 collector. This is facing south, which is the best direction to face. This gets the most sun hours, and this gets the most heat. It collects the heat, heats up the coils as the water flows through it. It heats up your water without electricity. This cuts down your electric use, so when you're powered with a system, the PV system, it will take care of all your electric costs.
This 7.2 kilowatt installation, we used a SolarEdge HD Wave inverter. Now that's the portion of the system that is going to collect the information from the individual panels. Connected with the power optimizers, it's also going to let us know how much production is coming from each individual panel and compensate for any shading that one panel might see within the string, maintaining the power production of all the other panels. Good day! We just completed installation of a 7.2 kilowatt solar residential home system. We have another solar home here in the lovely state of Florida in Lehigh Acres. If you're interested in solar power, be sure to get in touch with us by leaving a comment below or getting in touch with us on social media. So now I want all of you to go forth and spread some sunshine.